So talk a little bit about, what are those little tastings that you have during, let's say at 4 o'clock, right? So like a typical day for you. At 4 o'clock, what are you eating?
I will. In just a minute, though, I wanted to pull out. I have a study,
Yeah.
my new book, Fast
Yeah.
Feast Repeat, and this is just a little more. The people who are like the purists of if it's not 23-1, it's not one meal a day. There's a study that they did in 2007 with humans, and the scientists put people on a one meal a day diet. That's what the scientists call it. Okay, so this is out of a medical journal. So they put people on a one meal a day diet. And those one meal a day diet people in the study ate within a 4-hour period a day.
Oh, wow.
FYI, the scientists who designed a one meal a day diet, they fasted for 20 hours and ate within 4. So anyway, that's just a little something. See, Jen Stevens did not make up you can have several hours. The scientists did too. What I eat depends. I find I'm very seasonal with what I eat, and it just happens I don't do it on purpose. Like right now it's warm here, summer's coming. And so I will eat, I tend to want more cool things during that time. So recently I just learned how to make homemade hummus. Like people have been telling me for years, homemade hummus is easy. Oh my gosh, it's so easy. And so I make some homemade hummus, and
Tell us about it. Do you put garlic in it?
I do. I mean, it is really so easy. I'm putting some cloves of garlic with some lemon juice in there, and then a little tahini. And then I'm just dumping in a drained can of chickpeas, also called garbanzo beans. That's really confused my husband. He's like, I can't find chickpeas. All they have is garbanzo beans. I'm like, the same thing. Salted to taste. And I'm eating it with like some broccoli, and it is like heaven. I mean, you could also have, just whatever, chips, pita chips, but I'm really enjoying this. It seems like when the weather gets warmer, I want to eat more fresh vegetables. So I'm eating, broccoli or carrots with the hummus, and it's just perfect.